Friends, I'm Rehana. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you all how to make these delicious spicy chicken sausage poppers. Into a bowl, add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour followed by some rice flour. Rice flour makes the outside crispy, so try not to skip it. However, if you don't have rice flour at hand, you can replace rice flour with cornstarch. Now add half a tablespoon of garam masala, black pepper powder, then chili powder, cumin powder, salt to taste and some ginger garlic paste. Ingredients measurements are given in the description box below. Now mix with water to make the batter. We are looking for a runny consistency, but not too runny, just that the batter should stick to the sausage pieces. So add water little by little and make it to a consistency like this. Now moving on to the chicken sausage. Cut them into small pieces like this. I have made cubes like this. Into a hot pan, pour some oil. I prefer using coconut oil. However, you can use any vegetable oil. Even sunflower oil is okay. We will first fry the cut chicken sausage pieces without dipping in the batter. Deep fry them on medium flame until they sweep up a bit and turn a light brown color. Then you can take them out into a separate plate. Now dip the fried sausage pieces into the batter and coat them well. Now fry the coated chicken sausage pieces. You have to fry them in batches, otherwise the chicken sausage pieces might stick to each other. Once it's golden brown, take it out of the frying pan and place it on a plate. Now our yummy chicken sausage poppers are ready to serve. These are spicy, crispy and absolutely yummy. And it's so easy to make. So if you do make these, post the pictures on my Facebook and Instagram and tag me on there. The links are given in the description box below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. See you soon with other simple recipes like this. Till that time, you all take care and bye bye.